This is the whole number practice test, and we are working here on problem number 6. And we're asked to calculate the area of a rectangle that is 23 feet by 16 feet. And I've given the area, the formula for the area, which is the length times the width. And I've drawn the rectangle here. Rectangle always has two sides that are equal to one another, and then the other two sides are also equal to one another. So this rectangle is 23 feet long, 16 feet wide, and the area is going to be the length 23 feet times 16 feet, and you're going to get 368 feet squared. So it's going to be square feet is what we would call it, 368 square feet. We multiply the numbers, and then feet times feet gives me feet squared.